Hello friends, it's Ratan here. Today I am going to talk about my another passive income called City Passive from which I am making a good income on regular basis. So I will explain you how I started this company and how much I am earning on daily basis with City Passive. So those who are watching this video first time, City Passive is a company from Australia which pays you 1.5% daily on your purchased ad pack. Their ad pack cost $5 for one ad pack, which will give you an advertising credit. So you can use that advertising credit to advertise your another business. So this is the 100% passive earning where you can buy ad packs of $5 and earn 1.5% daily, and you can do compounding on regular basis to build this business slowly. So they have 5-level deep referral commission also. So if you refer someone, then it will pay you 8% from first level, 4% from second level, 1% from third level, and 1% from fourth and fifth level. So if you are a team builder, you can make fast money also over here. And company owner is very transparent and he keeps on updating on Facebook group also, so you can join on Facebook group also. So I am going to show you my whole detail about this company so that you will see how much I am getting. So in the month of February I started this company with $50 and done compounding. I had not built much member, but you can see I am making approx $10 to $12 daily with City Passive in this on a regular basis. So right now you can see I have $5.3 in repurchase balance and cash balance is $7.01, and I have right now 104 ad pack. That means one ad pack cost $5 and I have 104 ad packs. That means more than $500 I have invested over here. So you can start with any amount of ad pack and do compounding, build compounding, and soon you will see the growth of your daily earning. So I will show you how I do compounding also. So simply I click on purchase position, and I will select the cash balance and repurchase balance and use the repurchase balance. One ad pack cost $5, so I will select 2 ad packs. So simply I will place the captcha and click on pay now. So this is how simple it is to buy the ad pack with your earning. Now you can see position purchase successfully. Once I go into the overview section, you will see the ad pack got increased. 106 ad pack. Just now I had purchased 2 ad pack and I got some website ad credit also. So I can use this credit to advertise my some other business banners or website. So I can go into the advertisement section in the banner ad section or in my website section, and I can advertise my other websites, so that can also generate profit for me. So this is quite good company to build on for the passive earning income. So right now I am earning $10 to $12 daily, and my next target is to take it to $20 to $50 daily on regular basis in this company. So this is quite good to start with a small amount of investment and build it and grow slowly. So the power of compounding makes you earn big, and company looks quite strong and sustainable for long term, so you can trust this company. And if you are getting any problem, you can also contact me on Facebook. Type #Coach Ratan or Engineer Ratan Kumar Anku and message me over there. I will help you to start making passive earning online. And make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel also, so that you will keep getting more and more passive earning opportunity which will make you financially free in coming future. Thank you. God bless. Bye bye.